Ayun na nga mga mi, biglaan kami pumunta dito sa Mati. And dito kami napadpad sa DSR, or also known as the Hikan Surf Resort. Ang may-ari nga pala dito ay Sir Gabi at ang kanyang asawa na si Ma'am Nadja, if I'm not mistaken, a German. Pero napakagaling magbisaya. Ang room naman doon, upon entering, and the room next to it is mga mahal na room. Kasi air-conditioned and may sarili kang sink and toilet. This area naman ay para sa mga gustong mag-tent. Actually, fully booked siya when we arrived kasi hindi namin alam na kailangan palang mag-book dito. But fortunately, may nag-cancel ng room last minute kaya in-avail namin yun. Ang maganda dito, malinis at mabait ang mga staff. May fridge where you can store your meats. And may grilling station for all. And this is the room we availed. Mavericks ang name. That's 3,000 pesos, good for 6 bucks. Non-air condition but super duper malamig kahit electric fan lang kasi nga nasa dagat tayo. Common yung CR bot. Yung common na CR para sa mga non-air condition room is very malinis. From time to time nililinisan at may tissue talaga. And since we're more than 6 packs, kaya we need to pay the excess packs. Take note, 300 pesos for overnight and 190 for day tour. And kiddos 12 years old below would be half of the price. And you know what I really like here is it's like Siargao vibe. You know, I haven't been to Siargao but I really feel like it seems like parang nasa Siargao ako. Maybe because it's the movies I saw about Siargao and it's kinda like you were in a Boracay as well. Maybe because of the braid kasi na-experience ko mag-braid sa Boracay. And very chill ang area nito guys. Tapos may nag-roam around ng mga security. Pwede ka rin pumunta dito na mag-bar lang. You only need to pay 90 pesos and it starts with 6 PM to 11 PM I think. Medyo late na kami dumating dito kasi hindi pa planado talaga yung pagpunta dito. But look at the view. Sobrang kinilig ako at ang ganda ng tubig. And yes, that's me walking back to the information for the payments. Haha! And finally, confirm na si Maverick room for us and let's have a quick tour. This is just a typical for backpacker kind of room. Actually, in times of beach vacation, hindi namin minamatter yung room kasi nilalagyan lang naman ng mga gamit yan. Most of the time, nasa bandang dagat kami, chilling with the sand, people, and the beach waves. Partying with the music, and that's me after 3 hours of sleep. Ayan, gumala na si madam nyo. Dati, I'm really into barkada but now I'm more on family na. And yes, for the change outfit pa rin yung Madam Sana Alnyo kahit chilling with family lang. Mas importante na kasi sa akin ngayon ang memories with family together. And the day after the night, change outfit ulit. Hindi ka kasi talaga makaligo dito guys nang nakatupis kasi huhubaran ka ng dagat. For the outfit lang si Madam Sana Alnyo. Alam niyo naman mahilig ako mag-OOTD. And here's the view. Sunrise with dagat. Talagang nakaka-good ng mood. Parang nasa ibang bansa lang.
Good morning here in Siargao vibe. Where are they?
As you can see, dala-dala ko ang aking Wear Me bleaching lotion kasi naubusan na ako ng sunscreen and takot ako sa araw. Haha! Kung dati pa na pag-uusapan natin na kind of sun, medyo okay. Ngayon kasi parang galit na galit si sun eh. Kaya hindi pwedeng walang panglaban to protect our skin. Si bleaching lotion ko kasi is may SPF 40. And abangan nyo ang mas pina-level up ng ating Wear Me bleaching lotion dahil meron na siyang serum. And bago na ang kanyang packaging and container. Isa siya sa mga ili-level up kaya I'm super duper excited. And ayan si Macy, tapos si Bobby. Ayan, napaka-pogi ng husband ko. And si mommy and si ate. Char mommy! They're having coffee. And si niece naman, eto, nagpa-braid na siya. Price for the braid naman, it starts with 100 pesos to 200 pesos. Depende yan siya sa klase. Para sa dalawang chikiting, 100 pesos lang sa kanila. Tapos sa amin naman, nasa 150 up. And I'm having a hard time on what color to choose kasi medyo ginger na ang kulay ng hair ko. But still, I like lavender and white combination. Kaya kahit hindi matchy-matchy, bahala na kayo dyan. Si mama naman is very ka-critic. Pangit na yung kulay na napili ko kasi hindi daw na-appreciate sa kulay ng buhok ko. Hi, nako mama, I love you so much. Pasensya na sa bosses ko, medyo may sipon yung mamshi nyo. Kung may plan kayong pumunta ng Mate at may plano din kayong magpa-braid, ayan, hanapin nyo yung nag-ayos sa amin dahil napakagaling, pulido at matibay. Tsaka makakatulong pa kayo sa kanyang baon pang araw-araw sa school. Ito naman ang aking apo, napakaganda pera usog. At ang galing sumunod-sunod sa camera.
Sana all!
Sana all!
After nagpa-braid, pumunta na ako sa hubby ko. Char, miss na miss yarn. Kala mo naman kung saan pumunta. Sasauli ko lang ang change kay manager, baka maliquidate tayo, charis. O, alam ko may konting sumilip. Hehe, ewan ko ba, isang beses ko palang tong nasuot, hindi na magkasya. Ayan naman si Papa for the bonding sa aking anak kasi talagang hindi sila pwedeng maligo ng dagat, guys. Kahit ako, natatakot ako. For the aura lang ang momshi nyo. Actually, napakapingis ng stay namin dito pero talagang hindi na kayang mag-extend.
Inihahandog ng ABS-CBN mula sa produksyon ng Star Creatives ang isang bagong obra.
Looks like mababaw but high tide na yan, guys. Kapag pumunta ka na dyan lagpas sa puti, Diyos ko, lalalim bigla yan. May nakita nga ako nag-surf dito. Gusto kong matry pero naku, wag na. Baka pag ahon ko, wala na yung ilong ko.
So, this is my second time around pumunta ng Mate. Ay, hindi, third. Kasi the first one is with my co-dancers and the second one is with co-dancers again, but makabayan. And the third one is today with my family. Ay, May. I love Mate.
Happy shopping!